Hello, I'm Carrie Flanagan with CraveBooks, and today I'm going to show you how you can integrate your email program like MailerLite or MailChimp into your CraveBooks author dashboard, which will allow you, when you sign up for a list building giveaway or you create a reader magnet, all those emails that are collected, instead of you having to download them from your dashboard, they will automatically be added into your email service provider like MailChimp or MailerLite, or you can choose another one if you use other ones. So let me show you how to do that. Once I get to cravebooks.com, I am going to go to my author dashboard. So you will find your profile name and then click dashboard. And then we wait for that to come up. So here is my author dashboard. In the upper right is my pen name. So I will click on that and go down to the fifth one that says Email Service Provider Integrations. And I'm going to click on that. And here you're going to see the directions for integrating MailChimp and MailerLite. So I use MailerLite for my author newsletter. So I am going to go to my MailerLite dashboard. So I have already logged in, and so you can see there's my dashboard. And what I want to do is I'm going to click on my pen name, my author name, and come down here where it says integrations and click there. And what I'm looking for is the API number. So here at the very top is Developer API. I'm going to click Use, and here is the number that I want. So I'm going to copy that number and then come back to my CraveBooks dashboard. And you can see here, there's a place for me to enter my API key. So I'm going to take that number and paste it in there, click Submit, and now I am, select group. So I'm going to select the group that I want. So I'm going to look at, this is in my MailerLite. So I am going to pick my C.G. Harris name. I'm going to hit Submit again. And let's scroll down, and it says key updated successfully. So now my MailerLite is now connected with my reader magnets and any list building giveaways that I do on CraveBooks. So that was MailerLite Classic. MailerLite now has a new version, so if you are using that version, it's going to be similar, but the screens are going to look a little different. So what you will do is open up your MailerLite dashboard, and then on the left, you will see a button that says Integrations. So click on Integrations, and then this screen will show up. It'll say Developer API. In the right, you'll see a green button that says Generate New Token. So click on that. And on this next window, it will say Enter your token name. So you can put what you want, but I suggest just put CraveBooks. You will have to click the box that says you agree with the terms of use, and then click the green button that says Create Token. And on the next screen, it will give you the API key that you can copy and paste into CraveBooks. If you are using MailChimp, you will go ahead and log into your account, and then on your dashboard, you will see a menu item at the top that says Extras. Click on that, and you'll come to this screen that says API Keys, and you'll see where the red arrow is, a button that says Create a Key. So click on that, and then on this screen, you will give your API key a name. So once again, put CraveBooks, so you remember which API key this is. Then click Generate Key, and once you do that, it will bring up the API key for you to cut and paste into your CraveBooks dashboard. So anytime I get those emails from readers, they will automatically be added to my MailerLite account. And MailChimp, similar, your dashboards are going to look a little different, but you're going to do the same thing. So this is going to make it save you a step with those reader magnets and list building giveaways. So let us know if you have any questions.